Alright, in this video I want to quickly show you how to pay for me service on our website. Yeah, if you want us to help you buy anything, pay for anything online, send money to any merchants abroad, we can do that for you. All right, so let's say for the resistance, you're on our website, which is www.inboxdirector.com. so what you just have to do is to scroll down. All right, that you will see something like pay for me service. Now you click here. All right, once you click here, you'll be redirected to our exchange page. All right, so let's say for instance you want to send through bank transfer. You want to send money through us through bank transfer. All right, then what you want to receive is pay for me USD. All right, make sure you click on bank transfer. You want to send us money, which is bank transfer. You want to send us naira, then we'll help you pay for. Click on pay. You click either you are paying, either the merchant is accepting USD or euro or pounds. Just click on the payment for me USD. That is if you want us to pay for anything. Then you can see the exchange rate is what is 400 naira per USD for the service. So the exchange rate is 400 naira per dollar. All right, what you have to do, you input the amount of the money. So if you are buying $20, you must multiply 400 by $20. If you are paying for $1,000 stuff, multiply it by 400. If you are paying for $5,000 stuff, etc., multiply by what? Multiply by 400. Yes, just anything you want to pay for, the dollars amount you want to pay for, you have to multiply by current exchange rate. So let's say for instance you want to pay for, all right, let's just say for that. All right, you want to pay for $10 stuff, you multiply $10 times if you multiply 400 times 4,000, 400 naira times 4,000 should be $10. All right, should be 10 yeah, it should be $10. Hold on, please. So what I'm trying to say is that if you multiply 400 times $10, all right, so as you input 4,000 here, you see that it is now $10. If you multiply 400 by times $10, you mean it will be 4,000. All right, so anything you want to pay for, just multiply it by any dollars you want to pay for. This is dollars. All right, this is in USD, and if you think the merchant doesn't accept USD, maybe euro or pounds, let us know. If the merchant, you cannot pay through USD, the merchant doesn't accept USD, all right, or the website or what you want to pay for is not in USD, it doesn't accept USD, but maybe euro or Chinese or pounds, just get in touch with us and we'll give you price. The only price here as I'm speaking is the USD price. There is no euro price. We might add it later on, all right, but for now we only have the USD. So the seller might accept USD, euro, pounds or Chinese, then we have to select USD. All right, but if you think it doesn't accept USD at all, just get in touch with us. We'll give you the rate for pounds, euro or yuan. All right, so now what you just have to do, once you click on, but although you can also exchange perfect money USD, you want to sell to us perfect money USD and you want us to credit your account with bank transfer, you can do that. All right, this is the rate. Your one USD is equal to 365 when you are sending to us. But if you want to buy, you click on bank transfer. That means you want to send us naira and you want to get perfect money USD. All right, it is 390. That's how you would do for the rest. So if you want to send us Bitcoin USD, then you want us to send you naira payment, we can buy. All right, sorry, Bitcoin USD. Okay, yeah, you can see the exchange rate is 1 USD is equal to 340 naira per dollars. But if you want to send us, if you want to buy from us, then you click on bank transfer, then you go for that means you want to buy USD. So when you send us naira, we'll send you USD. This is the rate, 378 378 per dollar. All right, so let's go for the bank transfer and pay for me USD. So let's take for instance what we want to pay for is $10 stuff, which is 4,000 naira. All right, so what you just have to do is click on exchange. All right, so you have to log in. If you don't log in, if you don't have account, you have to go ahead and create your account first. You click on this create account before doing anything on our portal, before even exchanges. So let's say for instance you already have an account, you click on login. All right, once you click on login, you'll be directed to the to your login system. And you can see my exchanges, what you have exchanged so far, the transaction exchange rate, exchanges. So what you have exchanged so far. Then you see my testimonies. You can give us the testimonies if you're happy with our system. Then write testimonies, click on new. You click on new. All right, just input the testimonies, are positive or negative, and you click on the exchange and ID. All right, then the referrals, you can refer, wallets, then withdrawals, then settings, and so on and so forth. You just go through that one. So now let's say for instance you want to exchange. What you just have to do is to click on this logo, so that you go to the home page. You click on the logo, this logo up there. All right, this logo, Bit Exchanger, or we might change the logo later on to Conduct Innovation Tech. Just click on the logo. Once you click on the logo, you'll be redirected. Now let's say for instance bank transfer, all right, to payment pay for me USD. Then you want to pay for $10 stuff. All right, click on it. That is 4,000 USD, which is $10. All right, then click on exchange. All right, then once you click on exchange, fill in the necessary form. Take for instance just input your email address. This is just nonsense email address, but input your real email address, the product name, input it there. All right, the quantity, if it is 2, let us know. If it is 1, let us know. The website URL, so where you want to order the product URL you want to order, just input the link, input it here. I'm just putting jargons. I'm only writing jargons because it's a video tutorial. All right, and the product details, input the product details here. All right, then the if you require login email, put it. If you require login in, put in the password. If you require us to log in, or we can also order on your behalf by using our own email or password. But if it needs you, maybe you want to pay for hosting stuff where you will need us to log into the website, all right, we can do that. Or if the company, the hosting, can provide a URL, payment URL that doesn't require logging in, then we can do that. All right, we can help you pay. All right, so once you are through, if it doesn't require login, just leave the empty space. Click on process exchange. All right, so once you click on process exchange, your details will be here. Then you have to go ahead and make your details will be here. Then click on confirm order. All right, once you click on confirm order, then go ahead and make payment to the account details here. Once you make payment, just input the batch number, the transaction number, and the batch number, maybe your depositor's name. If you pay through online transfer, let us know the remark, or your name, your sender name, just input it here. All right, so once you are done with that, then you click on confirm transactions. So once you click on confirm transactions, you will see that it is currently pending. All right, processing. It is currently processing. So you can see it. You can track your exchange at this link. All right, just click on the link. All right, once you click on the link, you see it's now processing. It is now processing. All right, you can even copy this if you want to track the status of your though you receive a mail anytime it's been processed, or anytime the status change, you receive a mail. All right, so what you just have to do, you can even track. Scroll down, input your track exchange, paste, then click on track. All right, so you will see. So once the status change, you also receive email. All right, so let's say for instance, let me go to my mail so that you will see what I'm talking about. Oh, sorry, I don't receive a mail because the email I included was jargons. Had it been I input my email address, I will receive a mail like this, something like this. So you will see the status is processing. So once we are done with your pay for me USD, or once your exchange has been processed, we change the status and you receive your mail. You receive another mail that it has been changed to process, or awaiting confirmation, whatever. All right, so just make sure that you input correct email address there. Do not input jargon's email, so that you'll be able to receive our email, the status of your exchange. All right, or exchange status. All right, that will be all for now. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.